Spooky Squad assemble. For today's video, I have a haul of all things kindly gifted from ROMWE, and they are both Halloween and fall themed, starting off with this beautiful little pinafore or jumper style dress. This is in a small. For size reference, I'm 5'2", about 111 pounds, 32 being the bust, 25 in the waist, 35 inches in the hips, and this is how the small fits me. We have a zipper here on the side, we have the straps, and we have the beautiful, beautiful embroidery you can see all over the front here. So what I love about dresses like this is that you can wear it with so many different things. I just have this over a thicker sweater, so you can wear it with a turtleneck on the more fitted side. You can wear it in the spring and in warm days with like a little puff sleeved shirt or something like that, maybe even a crop top. Pretty versatile, I think, but I just love the fall colors of this one especially. And next up we have this lovely brown plaid dress. The quality feels amazing on this, like the fabric is nice and thick. I think this is so pretty for some of the warmer days in the fall, and it would be pretty, so pretty with a shawl over top of it perhaps, because of course it is a little more exposed. This is made to be off shoulder, like you don't really pull it up over your shoulders. It's made to perfectly be off shoulder, but it just looks so pretty, so romantic. I love the look. The color is perfect for fall especially. And here we have this lovely evening style dress. You could wear this for every day, I think, but it also could be great for an event or something like that during the fall season. Look at those beautiful ruffles with this beautiful kind of a vintagey, mossy green color. I just absolutely love how romantic and beautiful this is, and the fabric feels amazing as well. Here we have like this little moon and sun kind of decoration medallion up here at the top. And this just stretches on. And what's so great about this is we have the tie shoulders here, so you can tie them up so this can hang lower if you want. It's kind of personalizable and adjustable in that regard. So I really love that about it too. And it feels great and has stretchy fabric. And next up we have this really cute top. So you can wear this into the fall, of course, with a cardigan or something like that. And then this would also look very cute in summer, I think. So I'm going to come closer. You can see the sun pattern here. It's almost like a faux suede fabric. The straps are not adjustable, but they do have stretch, and it's just a really cute little crop top. Fits me pretty much perfectly. Like I said, I'm 32B in the bust, and this is pretty much perfect for my size, I think. And here we have this really cool net top. It's so soft and comfortable. The sleeves are made to be extra long, but what I really love is this embroidered sun right here. So this would look cute over something like a little sundress. I have just a nude bra underneath here now, but I think this would be really cute as maybe a beach cover up even. But obviously you can definitely wear it in the fall over certain things. Like I said, maybe a dress if you wanted to have a cleaner look underneath, but it is just really cute and kind of has that boho feel, and I love the sun. Definitely makes me happy to see the sun on here. I went with this little tube top in a size small. The fit is perfect. It has the gathered elastic on the back, and then we have the kind of rhinestone sun. So you'll see a theme here for this haul. I went with all of the sun that I could. Definitely makes me happy in the fall time when the sun is not covering as much of the day, but I really love this look. It's something you can wear in the fall and into the summer, of course. Another beautiful item, this gorgeous cardigan with the embroidery. How beautiful is that embroidery on these big pockets right here that actually work really nice and large. We have the beautiful kind of tortoise shell buttons and the brown trim on the pockets, the neckline, and the sleeves, and it's kind of like a scalloped sleeve or cuff as well. So pretty, so sweet, perfect for fall and maybe even into spring. Yes, also in a size small, and yes, another sun print. How cute is this little kind of like a hanky style top? So it goes up in the back. This is stretchy, just easily pull it on over the top. And we have the sun and all of the pretty designs and this kind of a rusty brown earthy color combination of tie-dye. I think it is kind of like a marbly tie-dye print. So love this. This is perfect like if you live somewhere really warm, like Florida, maybe California, somewhere like that, South Texas, and it's still summer even in the fall, and you can have the fall colors, but beautiful, fun summer styles and cuts to stay nice and cool too. But really love this, and of course you can wear this with a cardigan thrown over top or on some of the warmer days, like where I live in Virginia. It's still warm some of these days. So beautiful, and I also would wear this next summer too, because this is just so pretty and kind of like earthy with all of those beautiful colors. Yes, another sun print. This is the last one of the haul, but this is so cute, so easy to wear, so comfortable. I definitely think I will be wearing this next summer as well, wearing it in the fall with a sweater, high-waisted pants like I have on now, maybe a high-waisted skirt. Love the sun print. This is just such an easy thing to throw on, and it's super, super comfortable, really stretchy, has kind of like a rib net, has this little like a notched out neckline here, and the fun spiral sun design. And another spooky season item, this adorable sweater in a size small. The fit is great. The fabric is really nice, soft and cozy. It's not too oversized, not too fitted, not too long or short, just pretty much perfect. I love all of the colors, and we actually have the little jack-o'-lanterns, the pumpkins, so cute. And I would even wear this after Halloween, maybe up until Thanksgiving or something like that. I think it's just so cute because of the fall colors, and just ignore that part once Halloween is over. But yeah, so cute, so soft and comfortable. And last item, something a little bit different, these corduroy shorts with the adorable kind of like a leaf vine embroidery and also the mushroom embroidery. These are just the perfect fall color. You could wear these with over the knee boots, knee boots. You could wear them with tights if you needed them to be a little bit warmer, but they're perfect for when it's still nice and fairly warm, like where I live in Virginia. So these have nice deep pockets, a pretty nice length too. I am 5'2", and this is where they come on me, and they're gonna go with so many adorable fall colors. So that is everything for today's video. So happy fall, y'all. Thank you so much for watching.